The easiest way to securely access UCDAccess is through a virtual machine. In order to do that, you'll want to go to remote.ucdenver.edu, click on VMware Horizon HTML Access, enter your university username and password, and here you'll type either 1, 2, or 3, 1 for a duo push, 2 for a phone call, or 3 for an SMS message. In this case, I sent a duo push. I accepted it on my phone and successfully logged in. Once you're in the virtual machine, you'll want to click on My CU Portal. And this page takes up to 15 seconds to load. Once loaded, you'll enter your university username and password again. You'll go through that multi-factor authentication, either a duo push, a call, or a passcode. And you'll successfully and securely be logged into UCDAccess.